welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be talking about how you can do the pen spin, the pen flip, or whatever you want to call it. First, you got to grab your favorite pen. Personally, I like the Pilot G2s. They write nice and they're great for pen flipping or pen spinning. All right, so really you're only using these three fingers, your middle finger, index, and your thumb. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to practice this motion. So it's kind of like snapping, except you're not going all the way to a snap. So you're just brushing up against that thumb, spinning the pen, all right? And kind of picture that spin. So practice that for a little bit. And so what that motion is gonna do is you're gonna push the pen, with your middle finger here. So you're pushing the pen and it's gonna spin around your thumb and you're essentially gonna stabilize it with your pointer finger here. So this is the motion. Middle finger push, index finger drops back and catches. So boom, boom. You don't need these two fingers really, it's just these three. All right, so boom, 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 all right? So practice that. And then once you got the snapping motion down, then practice dropping your index finger back. So that's what's going to stabilize the pen when it comes back around so it's ready to write. All right, so just sit there and practice. The biggest thing is just sitting there, practice, practice, practice. It's going to take a little bit. You're going to drop it a lot and it's going to, be annoying, But after a while, you're going to get it and it's going to be a nice trick, whether you're in a business meeting or you're just at school and your friends are going to come up to you and be like, dude, how do you do that? And you're going to be like, hey, I just learned from YouTube. If I can learn it, you can too. All right, so simple as that. Just practice, practice, practice. But really, it's not that difficult. And there you have it. That's the simplest pen flip or spin that I can show you. Please leave a comment, subscribe, smash the like button, and have a great rest of your day.